Hi everyone, my name is C.H. Vengopaladdi, working as an assistant professor in civil department. Seventh experiment is design of multi-story building.
So in the last experiment analysis of multi-story building, same structure, we already done this up to the mm, creating of the structure, giving the properties, loading, everything is given. Dead load, live load, everything is given. So we will continue this same structure for the design of multi-story building. We will continue the same structure for the design of multi-story building. Loading is already given. No? Loading, you can see loading, everything is given. Given dead load, you can dead load is given. Live load, dead load, floor load is given. Load combination is also the load combination is dead load plus live load. So next is design. Design of if you click the design, you have to select the concrete because the structure we are choosing is concrete. Click, click the concrete and select the code. What code you require? Generally, the concrete code is RCC code is IS456. IS456. Select that code. Select that code. So after selecting, you have to define some parameters. You have to define the parameters. So the parameters are design parameters are FC. FC is the characteristic strength of concrete. Generally, if you take M20 concrete, so 20 Newton per mm square. M20 means 20 Newton per mm square, but here it is kilonewton per meter square. So you have to convert it 20 Newton per mm square into kilonewton per meter square. If you it will convert it, it will be 20,000 kilonewton per mm square. That is equal to 20 Newton per mm square. So you add it. Compressive strength of concrete 20,000. Next parameter you have to select is F5 main. F5 main. Yield strength for main reinforcement steel. What we are taking Fe41. Suppose if you consider Fe415 steel, yield strength will be 415 Newton per mm square. But if you have to convert into kilonewton per meter, so it's 415,000 kilonewton per meter square. Next is F5 secondary. Yield strength of shear reinforcement. Yield strength of shear reinforcement. Secondary. That is also we consider it as we will consider the Fe415. So 415,000 kilonewton per meter square. Add. So we have chosen the different parameters for the design. Different parameters for the design. These parameters are required for the design. Still, so many parameters are there, but that are not required for us at present. Next is commands. You have to select the commands. What you want to design in this structure, in this building, what you want to design. So first will be columns. Columns you have to design. So design column, add. Next, next are beams. Remaining are columns and beams are there. So add And for slab, you will design it by manually. For slab design, the STAD, you will not design slab in the STAD. Directly manually will design according to the one-way slab or two-way slab. According to that, you will design. So you have selected the different parameters and design what you have to design, what you have to design that we have selected. So first is FE, compressive strength of concrete. If you choose, it is common for all whole structure. It is same columns and beams. So assign to selected beams. Assign. Next is FE415. Whole structure same. Whole structure same. FE415. Assign to selected beams. Next is FE secondary. FI secondary, also whole structure same. That also we have selected. Next is select the design column. Design column. You have to select. You have to select it. Columns you have to select. Columns you have to select. You see in the front view and select the columns. Beams are also selected, but you can select the other method also. See. Or directly again go to the front view. Front view. Directly select. Select the columns. If you see in the isometric view, only columns are selected. Now assign to selected beams. Assign to selected. Next you select beam. Beam. Go to the front view. Using the select the beams. All the beams you select. You are selected and you will see in the isometric view. Only beams are selected. Only beams are selected. Assign to selected beams. So we have designed the column and beam. So now next is let us run the program analysis and design. Here run analysis is there. To press the run analysis, you have to save it. So save. Now it starts. The program starts running. It is completed. View output file down. You can see the output file. You can see the output file. You can see in the utility bar also. So our output file is open. You can see output file is open. file is opened. See all the results in this. You see the results.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.